This is Japan Master channel. Today, I like to talk about the wide range products discount store, Don Quijote. Don Quijote is known as top discount store in Japan. It's like Ross, ROSS in US. There are several stores located in overseas, mostly Asian countries like Hong Kong, Malaysia, Singapore, Thailand, but there is a store in US as well. There are some stores called Mega Don Quijote, which has so much space, usually located in the suburb, and sell a maximum of 100,000 items. Don Quixote's store concept is a comprehensive discount store that integrates convenience, discount, and amusement. With approximately 45,000 items, they operate as a fast store with prices, value, and assortments of food, daily necessities, miscellaneous goods, clothing, home appliances, and branded goods and variety of goods. So they sell pretty much everything. I will explain the integrate of the convenience, discount, and amusement part of Don Quixote. For the convenience, some of the Don Quixote stores open 24 hours, and most of stores open until like 3 a.m. Literally, it's convenient, like a konbini in Japan. For the discount, POP, the pop sign, which is written the product price, some of them says kyoyasu, which means surprisingly cheap. As the wording says, those products have surprising prices and discount rate of over 40%. So the Don Quixote is very cheap price that you can find many variety of goods. The reason for the price cut may be written on the pop, but it is often attached to items that are out of shelf, mass disposal, or mass arrival. The target product may be pressed in solid press immediately after entering the store, or it may be pressed in eye-catching manners near the cashier register, but in rare cases it may be pressed on a low shelf near your feet, or it may be pressed on the top of shelf that is hard to see. Also, pop sizes vary from large to small, so if you are not careful, you may get through. So you need to look around to find the great deal product. For the amusement side, inside the store is half maze-like, so with products lined up without gaps, giving shoppers a treasure hunting element to find what they are looking for. So inside of the storage is very uniquely located. Some of the products are Don Quixote's original items. if the item say 情熱価格, which means passion price, that's the one I'm talking about, the very cheap one. The most of products that yellow logo on it are very cheap because they can only be attached to products that specialize in offering everyday items at low prices. The silver logo is attached to the product with design and product with higher quality and functions, and the gold logo is attached to the product with only one quality and functions. It is often attached to home appliances, and it is cheap, and there is a generous guarantee depending on the product. So if you are looking for home appliance, please check out. From the 情熱価格, the passion price, I will introduce two items. One is holding bike with electric assist Eva Plus Mini, that costs 65,000 yen. That's about 576 US dollar. This price packed with a lot of functions, equipped with sufficient battery capacity of 5.8 Ah. It can run up to about 33 kilometers, that's about 21 miles, on a single charge. Also equipped with high performance roller brake, it is hard to make unpleasant sounds, and it is safe even on rainy days. Soft saddle that is gentle on the buttocks, tires that are hard to puncture. Equipped with non-slip pedals and external 6-speed gears, it is packed with a full range of functions that are particular about making it comfortable to ride even on slopes. This is an excellent foldable electric bicycle, comes with simple operation panel and a large basket on the front part. And second one is 7 kilogram drum type washing machine that costs 55,000 yen. That's about 488 US dollar. This is a collaboration with Iris Oyama Corporation. Affordable price has been achieved by deliberately omitting the drying function. Home appliances are getting developed by adding high technology, multiple functions, but this product goes with the opposite by taking out drying function and come through this cheap price washing machine. With a hot water washing function, it is resistant to oil stain. And if you use a hot water rinse, you can shorten the drying time of room drying. In addition, warming softens the fibers and makes them less likely to wrinkle. Since it is a drum type that can be washed with a small amount of water, it also saves the water charges. Those two items are probably not suitable for souvenir, but as both of them are pretty big for airplane. For the souvenir, I suggest to buy like Japanese snack, as Don Quijote has a wide range of snacks and it's more than the supermarkets. Also, the Japanese cosmetics is a good choice. There are lots of them, and cheap cosmetics are lined up very widely. For the summary, Don Quijote is known for its unique display method, in which products are displayed at high density, but there are also cases where products are placed outside the store or even in a small aisle. Products placed in such corners that tend to pass through are often placed with treasure products with a high discount rate, so the people can be easily noticed, and therefore it is recommended to check every corner of the display shelves. And one more thing, if you go to Don Quijote, often I suggest to use a magic app for the more discount. And today's Japanese vocabulary that I want you to remember is kakaku, which means price. And one more thing is nesage, which means discount. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. If you like the contents, please press like, and if you want to know more about Japan, please press subscribe button, and please let me know where is your favorite product shop in Japan on the comment section. I will talk to you soon. Bye.